Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create the cutest chef inspired outfits in DTI. From apron glam to accessory perfections, this look is fresh out of the oven and ready to steal the spotlight. So if you want to know the step-by-step guide to build the chef look, just watch me create the combo. So let's just get started. So first, as you guys can see, these are the hair that I use. This updo in here and this one from the masculine hair category, and this bangs. You can choose any color that you prefer for the hair. Now for the outfit, so first I'm going to go, let's put on the shoe first. Change all the color into black, including the shoe lace. Now let's put on this set. First put on the top and use only the pass, so to glitz into number 3 and change the color to black. And for the button, I'm going to use white. And use the pants. Change the material into light silk and use this pattern. Okay, so once you are done in here, you can put on this skirt. So I'm going to use this to make it look like an apron. First color white and the next two black. Now you can go to the dressing room and here put on the eyelashes and put on the hat from the turban in here. On the word diversity update, change all the color into white, and I'm going to use light silk as the material. And here put on the long sleeve, this one, change the color into white and make it light silk. And then put on the sleeves from the currency type, this one from the witch set, in white color. Go back to the code items, used this uniforms and toggle it into shirt only, and change all the color into black. Okay, don't forget to use the same material. This one also in light silk, so make it the color look the same. Now what you need to do is just some more accessory. I'm going to grab the knife first, so let's pretend that this is the chef knife. Put on this hat, light silk and white. Now I'm going to grab these earrings and these items in here in black color, and that's it. So this is the final look for the chef outfit in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.